Sixth question. The price of 3 chairs and 2 tables is rupees 4,500 and the price of 5 chairs and 3 tables is rupees 7,000. Find the price of 2 chairs and 2 tables. Now we have to find the price of 2 chairs and 2 tables, but first we will find what is the cost of 1 chair and what is the cost of 1 table. So let the price of 1 chair be taken as X rupees and that of 1 table be taken as rupees Y. So according to the first condition, they said 3 chairs and 2 tables cost rupees 4,500. So if 1 chair, the price of 1 chair is taken as rupees X, the price of 3 chairs will be 3 into X, that is 3X. The cost of 1 table is rupees Y. Therefore, the cost of 2 tables will be 2 into Y. Therefore, the cost of 3 chairs and 2 tables together will be 3X plus 2Y. They said that is coming to 4,500. Therefore, according to the first condition, 3X plus 2Y is equal to 4,500. Now the second condition, the price of 5 chairs and 3 tables is rupees 7,000. Therefore, 5 into X plus 3 into Y is equal to 7,000. 5 into X plus 3 into Y is equal to 7,000. Now we look at the two equations. Till now all the equations, when we had to solve them, we were looking at the coefficients of these 4 terms and seeing whether the coefficient is 1 and using that to solve the equations. But now when you look at all these 4 terms, you will not find any of those terms having the coefficient 1. Now when that is the condition, what do? You see here that we look at the coefficients of X as well as the coefficients of Y. Can we multiply each of these equations by a number, by a multiple, such that both the coefficients become the same? That is, if I want to make the coefficients of Y the same in equation 1 and 2. Here I have the coefficient of Y as 2. Here I have the coefficient of Y as 3. Now if I want to make these coefficients the same, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. That means I have to multiply this 2 by 3 and I have to multiply this 3 by 2. Then both the coefficients will remain the same. So what will I have to do? I cannot multiply only the Y term. So what will I do? I will multiply this entire equation, equation 1 by 3. And I will multiply this equation 2 by 2. Then what will happen? I will get this as 6y and this term also as 6y. So I'll write now, multiplying equation 1 by 3, multiplying equation 1 by 3, what happens? We are multiplying 3x into 3 becomes 9x plus 2y into 3 becomes 6y is equal to, now here 4,500 into 3. Now 4,500 into 3 will be, 4,000 into 3 is 12,000. 500 into 3 is 1,500. So 12,000 plus 1,500 will be 13,500. Now I number this equation as 3 because the first equation is multiplied by 3 and I have got this third equation. Now I also said that this second equation will be multiplied by 2. So I write multiplying equation 2 by 2. Now if I multiply equation 2 by 2, this is equation 2. 5x into 2 is 10x. So I get here 10x plus 3y into 2 is 6y. So I have here 6y is equal to now 7,000 into 2. 7 into 2 is 14. So 7,000 into 2 will be 14,000. Now I will number this equation as 4. This equation 2 is different from 4 because 2 is multiplied twice and I have got this equation. So I have equation 3 and equation 4 now. Now what do I do with these two equations? Now I want either x or y from this. So what can I do? I can subtract one of these equations from the other. Now which will I subtract? I can subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Why? Because here 14,000 minus 13,500 will give me 500. 10x minus 9x will be x. And 6y and 6y will cancel. So what will I write? Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. Always when we write subtracting, we have to remember, we have to use the word from. Which one we are subtracting from which? Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. So I write here subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. Now from which we are subtracting will be written on top, that is 10x plus 6y is equal to 14,000. Which is the equation we are subtracting? We are subtracting equation 3. So that will be written below here. 9x plus 6y is equal to 13,500. Now when we subtract, we know that all the signs of the lower equation change. So 10x minus 9x is x. Here we have plus 6y and minus 6y. So this cancels. Is equal to 14,000 minus 13,500 is 500. So now we get the value of x. Now once we get this value of x, we can put this value of x in any of these 4 equations and then find the corresponding value of y. So let us take the first equation and put the value of x and get the value of y. So what will we write? Substituting this value of x. In equation 1. So first we have to write equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equal to 4,500. So I write here 3x plus 2y is equal to 4,500 and number this as 1. Now x is 500. So this value of x, we put it in this equation. So we have 3 into 500 plus 2y is equal to 4,500. 3 into 500 is 1500 plus 2y is equal to 4,500. Now we take the numbers on one side. 2y is equal to 4,500, taking 1500 on the other side, minus 1500. 2y is equal to 4,500 minus 1,500. That will be 3,000. Therefore, y is equal to 3000 upon 2. Y is equal to 3000 upon 2. 3000 upon 2 is 1500. So we have got the value of y as 1500. Now once we have got the value of x as 500, the value of y as 1500. If you remember, the question was to find the price of 2 chairs and 2 tables. Each chair was costing x, each table was costing y. Therefore, the price of 2 chairs and 2 tables will be 2x plus 2y. So, let us write the price of 2 chairs and 2 tables is equal to 2x plus 2y, which is equal to 2 into x, what we found was 500, plus 2 into y, what we found was 1500. So this is equal to 2 into 500 is 1000, plus 2 into 1500 is 3000. So this is equal to 1000 plus 3000, which is 4000, that is 4000 rupees. Therefore, the price of 2 chairs and 2 tables is 4000 rupees.